Hey guys, I just wanted to take a quick minute to give you a little background on the Pampered Chef side of my life. Now, we're actually vacationing in Colorado at this moment, and it was back in February 2017, exactly here, when I decided to give Pampered Chef a try. Virtual parties had just become a thing. We were moving around and traveling a lot, and I wanted something that could move with me, and Pampered Chef provided exactly that. Now, since then, I got married, we moved a couple times, we have 2 dogs and 2 kids, and Pampered Chef has moved and grown with me all along the way. The best part about it is the flexibility and allowing me to work more when I want to and less when I need to, especially when it comes to my family. And don't even get me started on the insane amount of free products I have earned, the friends that I have made, and the places that Pampered Chef has also taken me. So this month, I want to challenge you to say yes to the apron. If Pampered Chef has ever been something you have considered, it might work out for your lifestyle and be a great fit for you, just like it has for me.